I'm a boy. I'm a boy. I'm a boy. Boy, get it. Good boy. Guys, check this out. Trailer full of parts. Yeah, that's what it takes to rebuild the trucks. You need a trailer in order to haul something like this. Anyway, let's go home and start working on it. Come on. Uh-huh. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be working on a 2020 Silverado dually, and the reason I'm gonna be working on it today is because my buddy have a frame available for a couple days, and then his frame gonna be busy for at least, he said, a month, because there's 2 or 3 jobs coming really big, and he's saying the frame gonna be busy. I could not get on it, so, and he knows I need to finish this truck too, and in order to do that I need to disassemble, because this is dually. It won't fit in my garage, it won't fit on my trailer, so I'm gonna have to work over here outside. It's currently -2 degrees, but when the sun comes out, it's better. So my plan for today's episode is completely disassemble, take the bumper off. I do have a new bumper. I need to either throw it on it so it looks better. I have a fender, I have all the parts. I think that I have all the parts. I need to check. It's been a long time ago when I purchased all the parts. I might not gonna have a headlight. So basically I need to disassemble everything over here, pull out the radiator, get all the radiators out to see what's damaged, what's not, and replace what's damaged, so this truck would be drivable, because I'm gonna be driving 25 to 30 miles away from my place to the frame. So this thing needs to be drivable, it needs to be looking decent on the road, because I don't want to get pulled over. And another thing, it can be overheated, right? So let's begin the disassembly process. Man, I never noticed it. Look, is that the lights over here, or this is the cutout for the light? Anyway, I'm getting distracted. Let's disassemble it and replace everything that needs to be done. And also, you guys gonna enjoy what I'm doing. So guys, after taking all those damaged parts, the real damage actually showed up. Man, this is way more damage what I thought. Look, because I pushed in everything this way, it made the buckle over here, also over here, inside over there. I mean, this still fixable. You pull it and hammer it, that's fine, right? But if we go to this side, you can see how badly it's over here. Even though most of the damage come to this corner over here and received over here, but it was so powerful, so that pushed everything towards the cap. So my decision at this time is, I have a core support which is over there, but I'm gonna be buying different core support with these extensions, because in order to buy this whole side extensions with all the brackets and all that, I think this whole side is gonna come out like $750 when we discussed previously. And it's just, in my opinion, I'd rather to return that, which is $400 used to be, and buy for the $1,400 the whole front end. And that way none of the damage is gonna be here. It's not gonna be bent anymore, it's not gonna be fixed, it's still gonna be there and everything gonna be good still. But honestly, I'd rather to replace the whole thing if it's possible, because they push there, you have to pull, you have to do so much. Yeah, but this way I can easily fix the frame, which is also another damage that I find out over here. I don't know if you can see, but it pushed in, as you guys remember, on the truck I did long ago, same way. But I can fix that. I can grab it over here, I can get this ungrind it, pull it, replace this. I purchased this bracket already, I have it, and so I can fix the frame. And then I don't need any frame rack. All I'm gonna have to do is just put the core support in, realign everything and weld it, and I'm not gonna need any frame rack. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yes, it's gonna cost more, but hey, this is hidden damage. That's why you have certain amount of money that you're willing to spend overhead. I believe it's called your overhead. So I'm gonna deal with it. Yes, it's gonna be less money, but it's gonna be fixed right. Hey guys, this is what I have over here. There's way more damage than I thought originally. So, oh yeah, there's way more damage than I thought. So we have a frame damage. You can see how smacked that is. And also the throttle body is damaged over here. You can see. So I ordered new throttle body. Radiator is busted, intercooler is bent, all this is bent pretty good. So AC condenser garbage, this cooler is garbage, this cooler is, I mean all the coolers ordered. The grill, the crazy part about the grill is You know how much eBay wants for the grill? Anywhere from $600 to $900 to $1,200 for the original OEM grill. You know what's my cost on the dealer on the grill? $5.99. $5.99 my cost dealer. Brain spanking new, and where the eBay used one is $7.99 plus $100 shipping. It's insane. I don't know where they're getting those prices off of, but I spent, I believe, $2,700 on it. Now I'm gonna spend another $4,400. I order all those parts, and that's without the headlight and without the airbag, and hopefully that's all the spend is gonna be. So yeah, 2744, so that's 6, 7, 8, close to probably 9,000, and with the paint and all that, $10,000 probably worth of fixing this truck. Man, there's way more damage. Hey, well, that's exactly what you get with the rebuilds. You know, you have to know what you're getting into, and you have to have the safe play if there's something comes out like this. Man, it's a bummer. It's a bummer. More work. I wasn't expecting the frame damage that much, but hey, guys, it is what it is. It's part of the rebuild, part of the process. In order to get your money back, this truck needs to be fixed. In order to fix this truck, you need to spend the money, and it doesn't matter how much you're gonna spend, because you need to spend in order to sell it, in order to recoup your money back, right? So tomorrow I'm gonna go to a dealer. They have some parts available. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna my plan is try to get the radiator, so I can attach a radiator fan so I can drive this thing to my buddies. So that's exactly my plan for tomorrow, but that's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for visiting. If you want to see Inside Scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll catch you next one.